No, Eddie, the fraudulent conveyance, they're on, these are the documents that I made that were really inexpensive. I think one package was $99 at one point, and one package was like $125. The less pendants, I think, was $125, and I think the fraudulent conveyance. Now, the fraudulent conveyance, the notice of fraudulent conveyance, if I remember correct, also has the notice of less pendants in it that you would use together, but you don't want to place them on the public record or file them as judicial notice. Well, you can file them as judicial notices in your case at the same time. They can't do shit about that. But placing on the public record, if you bring them both at the same time, you're going to get more blowback than if you're unless you're worried about them like pushing you off the cliff in the morning or something, I wouldn't do them both. And we've had a couple of people that did them both, and it was they handled it, but most people don't have the skills to do that. And I'm just like, why would you have to? I like punching the ass slow anyway and making them sweat and suffer. So that's just the way I like to do it. So those documents are on the website. There's a fraudulent. Okay, so the difference between the two, I think that's something that we should talk about. Okay, so the less pendants package was designed to do the conventional less pendants. We'll just call it that, where you have to have a certified copy of a federal filing to put the lien on their stuff or the judge's house or something, and you can put the less pendant lien on your own stuff too. And well, I don't think you need a federal filing. I don't know about that. I know the less pendants is set up to put the lien on their shit over there with the federal filing. The notice of fraudulent conveyance and the notice of less pendants that's sold in other package was structured to put the lien on your own property without having to have anything else. It's pretty badass. I did not know you could do that, but we figured it out. And so now you can go in, you can do that and put that shit against your property without having to have a $400 federal filing certified, because it's like $35 certified. So, and then if you don't take your own copy, then it's a bunch of pages copies or whatever they charge you, nickel and dime you or whatever. So that's how that works. So they're on the website now. If you buy one package, then you don't need to buy the other, I don't think. Okay, so I think I have the notice of less pendants and the notice of fraudulent conveyance and the notice of less pendants both in the package, and then the judicial notice of fraudulent conveyance and judicial notice of less both in the other package. So if you bought one package, you don't need to buy the other package. Just take the word off and change it, and then take off. Like say if you had the judicial notice of fraudulent conveyance, then all you have to do is just take off the top off the parties and all that shit. Take that shit off and just put whatever the hell was on, like you're just sending in. Just turn to a regular notice and place it in public record. So you don't have to get the other one, but it's all set up to get to work the way. And I appreciate the investment to help offset these prices and shit. And yeah, Lily, the legal Lily, the new super dog. She's going to be heading up the ad campaigns along with the new promoter that is going to be working with Lily the super dog, helping us. Now, if we have something that we're affiliately selling, or that we're partnerly selling, or that we're intermittently selling with videos on a thing, and you guys invest in our stuff, it's going to help us keep our prices or make our prices even lower. Okay, because JBL knocking at the door, we get some stuff figured out. Um, we get Lily. The promoter is going to be marketing Lily, so we're going to be making some. Well, she's going to be making some money over there, but she'll be paying us. That's the way we're going to have to set it up. Anyway, so all of the things that you guys invest in, I even have a donation link on the website at the top right-hand corner. Anybody that makes a donation, it's much appreciated to help us keep the lights on and keep the ring open up and keep the opportunity for these assholes to come on down here.